now we're going to seal them with a top coat. We're going to seal one section with our Rex Shield A1 single component coating that we're going to do one section with, and we're going to do this section over here with. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply it with a pump sprayer, and then we're going to back pull that with a flat mop pad. And then we're going to do the other section over here with the RexPro Affinity product, which will actually leave more of a almost satin / matte finish, kind of like probably eggshell is the best way to describe it. Okay, so this is a two-person operation. One person's going to spray, the other person's going to back pull with the flathead mop. So the next section we're going to seal is going to be with our Affinity. This is a two-component product. It's got a small little bottle of Part B. This bottle, by the way, is not full, but it's precisely measured to what it needs to go into Part A. This is a real simple, easy to mix. For B into A. Make sure you get all of it out of there. Put the cap on. Give it a good shake, and then let it sit for a couple minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. Okay, so just like with the A1, they're going to apply this the same way by spraying, one person spraying, one person back mopping, and they're going to soak the mop first. That'll reduce any drag as he's pulling the mop over the concrete. This is a 60 grit concrete grind, so it's a little on the coarse side. Again, he overlaps with the mop head just ever so slightly.